So this is JM again, and I'm with my French friend Romain.
Hello.
That has a really nice accent, much better than mine. Today we're just going to talk about two of the Double Wheel Hoe and comparing some of the difference. I use the BioDisc a lot. It's definitely one of the game changer in my toolbox. It has speed up the cultivating process so much on my farm. And I'm going to ask Romain to talk about that one, but also this one has fingers.
Yep.
And why this one, and you have others in your hand. So there's a bunch of designs. I don't know if you just want to say a few words about them.
Yeah. So we have made the construction of the wheel hoe like a very old version in France. At the beginning, when the crops are really small, we mainly use the double wheel hoe. So it means then we have a range of tools that have really good precision. So you can go very close to the rows, like you like the BioDisc.
Yep.
And we have other equipments. We have around like 25 tools to fit on this body.
So it's on the body. So it's very versatile.
Yeah, very versatile. And a good combination, in my opinion, on tools is the BioDisc. So you can make a little ridges, like on these rows there, and you just cover the weeds with the ground, and maybe like 15 days after, when the weeds come again, you can use the finger weeders there. So the good things with finger weeders, you have two blades to cut the weeds, and then the fingers will remove these small ridges. So it's a combination of tools, and in this way the weeds don't have enough time to grow up on the rows. And the weeds on the rows are the main problems.
Yeah, so the weeds growing on the rows, so the concept is that you hill them, so you bury them, and then when they start to grow again, then you kind of, not destroy, but you kind of scratch that ridge to destroy the weeds again.
And then you can ridge again.
Yeah, you do it a couple of times.
Yeah, a couple of times. And it's just a combination of tools. There is not one good tools for weed control. You have to use several tools in combination regarding to the weeds, regarding to the crops, growing crops, and
So you guys, besides laughing your ass off of our French accent, both of us, because I have one too, you can check out Terrateck on their website or on Johnny's website or on Dubois. And in the next few weeks, you can subscribe to this channel. We'll be showing these tools, how they run, how to operate them. But they're pretty cool. The finger weeders I like, but definitely for me, my big hit is the BioDisc. But like Romain says, a combination of all perhaps is the best way to go. So JM out, and see you next time for more info about all of this.